Okay guys, I will show you how to print Amos stock or chemical or inventory, everything in Amos. So just click here, switch department. Let's say example, we're gonna print chemical inventory. You go to consumables, then okay, wait here for this one to become consumables also, this one. So now they are loading. Okay, we are now in stock, so we're gonna go to this one, stock, go to control. So we're gonna print chemical inventory. So here in the class, we click here, so chemicals, then okay, okay again. So now we have the chemical inventory. This is the paper that we're gonna print in Amos. So first we're gonna go to this one, printer, this one icon, printer, then printer setup. So in our printer, this is the one, Qt PDF writer on CPW2. So you're gonna click OK, then OK again. So just wait, and then let's say for example we're gonna print only one, so we just only print, click one, pages one, 1 to 1, like this, I think. Okay, then okay. So we gonna wait this one. Okay, now so to print this one, we must to save in desktop. Okay, so we put folder chemical 2021. Okay, and then save. So now this folder will goes to their desktop. Okay, and now we have here, so this one. So we're gonna print this one now. We double click, and then this one we print. So now this is the one we are going to print. Okay, click again this icon, printer. Okay, and then okay again. That's it. Now printer will be running, guys. Okay, thank you.